Asthma is common, so common that there's possibly somebody that you know that suffers from it if you do not suffer from it yourself. Even if you don't have a full understanding of what asthma is, you do however know what the symptoms are. Asthma is a respiratory condition where the small airways in the lungs tighten up, and it causes a person having an attack having a very tough time to breathe. The length of the attack usually depends on how serious the condition is and how tight the airways are. The appearance of asthma does not follow awfully predictable patterns. Folk of any age and sex can have asthma, but it is not atypical to first appear during infancy. Some folks are lucky and outgrow asthma. There are the unfortunate people that may live with asthma for the rest of their lives. There are many people who suffer with asthma that have no other relations in their families who have it. Normal signs and symptoms of asthma often are cough, wheezing, tightness in the chest, breath shortness, and problems breathing. These are symptoms that can change from individual to person. Asthma attacks can be mild, moderate, or severe. A mild asthma sufferer sometimes has an attack when they have a higher respiration infection. Most other times they're completely fine and have no asthma symptoms at all. Moderate asthma sufferers can have some symptoms from time to time. It could be worse in the early morning or late in the night, when they have got a cold, or have a big quantity of stress in their lives. Severe asthma sufferers traditionally have asthma symptoms each single day. Sometimes they could find it hard to even talk or to be able to do any exercises. Because a significant asthma attack can make it troublesome for an individual to breathe, it is critical to understand the signs and symptoms of asthma. Treating it quickly can keep it from worsening. Therefore, if you have asthma or are looking after somebody suffering from it, it is necessary to recognize the numerous signs and symptoms of asthma so that you know when you must use asthma medicine to treat the issues. Follow the link. Find out much more about the signs and symptoms of asthma. Joseph Chapman is an investigative journalist who has been studying and reporting on a wide range of alternative cures and treatments for more than 200 different conditions.